Okay, I am making the chocolate peanut butter lava cake, and I've already mixed the one box of, wait, hold on 1 second, my peanut butter, the devil's food cake mix, and then I did added 2 eggs and I think 1/2 cup oil and 1 1/4 cups water, and then I added 1 cup of peanut butter. So here it is. So I'm just gonna mix it for a little. Just gonna stir it for a little bit, and then I'm going to microwave it for, look at that, I'm gonna microwave it for 11 minutes. Oh my god. Guys, I need help to eat all these things. That's why when I make something, I'm the only one that's eating it. So this one, I'm so excited to eat it anyway. So let's see what happens. I'll post the result